So if you want to see how I prepare this delicacy, just watch the full video. You'll see. Yummy, yummy. Nutrient, protein. Oh, thank you, my beautiful people. Got one love. Keep us together. Hello, my beautiful people. How you guys doing today? I hope you guys are doing great as well as keeping safe. Salve bella gente, le nostre ricette che c'ho da preparare oggi, carciofi al microonde, come potete vedere c'ho carciofi, c'è la mozzarella, c'è il prosciutto cotto. Ho deciso di parlare prima in italiano e poi dopo parlare in inglese. All my beautiful people, I have another recipe. The recipe today is artichoke in microwave. You guys can see I have my artichoke. This is what they call it here. It's carciofi, and this is my mozzarella as well as my prosciutto. Oh, for those that don't know, artichoke, which is carciofi, is rich. It is rich in fibre, helps for our digestion system, is full of nutrients, vitamins like vitamin A and C, as well lots of minerals. Ferro helps as well to lower our cholesterol. So this very particular fruit here, it has a lot of health benefits. So yes, guys, just sit tight, hold tight while you see how I'm going to prepare this my artichoke carciofi in microwave for today. Bella gente, state seduto su divano comodo, mentre vedrete cosa come preparerò questo carciofi nel microonde oggi. Andiamo subito a preparare questa ricetta. Potete vedere, ho già padelle a fuoco con 2 spicchi d'olio. As you guys can see, I have my frying pan already with 2 pieces of garlic. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to add my carciofi in a short while. Ora cosa faccio ora? Aggiungerò carciofi adesso. Now I'm going to add, then I'm going to add some salt e poi aggiungeremo un goccino di sale. I'm going to add some salt and I'm going to allow it to steam for about 10 minutes e poi lo lascio cuocere così per una decina di minuti. Ora chiudiamo e lasciamo cuocere per 10 minuti. Okay, my beautiful people, I'm going to close now and I'm going to allow it to steam for 10 minutes. See you guys later in 10 minutes time. Okay, let's take a look. Ok, come potete vedere è passato 10 minuti. So it's now time for me to remove my carciofi. So I'm going to put off the gas so it's going to come exactly, you guys can see us looking. Potete vedere adesso com'è. Adesso facciamo ripieno adesso. Ora sì, ora si fa. Ora let's go guys. Let's go. Guys, let's start. Ok, bella gente. Andiamo. Cominciamo. Spostiamo. This is my carciofi as you guys can see. So now I'm going to get one of my prosciutto. This is my prosciutto. This is my prosciutto, and this is my carciofi. You can this one like this way. This is my mozzarella. So now I'm going to fold. This is it. I'm going to put my. It's delicious, guys. This, you can chew it this way, potete lo sapete, no? Basta anche saltare in padella con un po' di sale, aglio e si può anche mangiare così. È buono uguale. Ok, guys, so I'm going to roll. Giriamo e I'm going to put in my oven pan. I'm going to show you guys this here. So I get one more. Oh, this is really delicious. Okay. Buono. My carciofi as well as my mozzarella. And I'm going to turn. Then I'm going to put in my oven pan. Okay, guys. You guys can see So now I'm going to cover with the remaining prosciutto that is left, and I'm going to add my remaining mozzarella. Potete vedere, ho già messo tutto, ora metto mozzarella che avanza. Mettiamo un po' qua, mettiamo un po' là. Potete vedere adesso. You guys can see us looking now. So now I'm going to take to the oven. Let's go, guys. This is the one that is remaining, and this is how it is now. So now I'm going to put in my microwave. This one is going exactly into my mouth. Buono. Now open the microwave. Guys, reaching the microwave, guys. Let me cover. I'm going to put. Ora lo lascio cuocere qui dentro per 5-7 minuti. Let me put it for 7 minutes. No, it's 5 minutes. 5 minutes. Okay. 5 minuti. I'll see you guys in 5 minutes time. Okay, guys, let's see. Bella gente. Oh, ora possiamo aprire 5 minuti. Guardiamo un po'. Oh, the heat is too much. You guys can see. Potete vedere, bella gente. It's a little bit hot, but I have to wait a little, so I'm going to show you guys when it's cold. Potete vedere adesso com'è e poi faccio vedere quando sarà ghiaccia. Ok, guys, see you later, guys. Let me cover. Gente, ora è ghiaccia. Andiamo. Oh, you guys can see. Okay, let's go, guys. Let me show you. Ah, it is, guys. Ora facciamo vedere dentro com'è questa delicatezza. Prendiamo la bocchetta. No, va bene anche un cucchiaino. The plate's closed here. Okay. You guys can see. This is it, guys. Let me get, what am I getting, guys? Get some. Oh. Bella gente, avete visto? So let me cut it as you guys can see us looking. So we do it together. We do all together now. So you guys see us looking. You see, guys, so this is my Carciofi ripieno nel microndi. Bella gente, avete visto che delicatezza che ho fatto? Thank you very much, my beautiful people. Leave me a comment below. God bless you. Grazie mille a tutta la bella gente. Questa è la mia ricetta di oggi. Carciofi ripieno con mozzarella e prosciutto cotto. Grazie a tutti. Arrivederci. A presto. See you next time, my beautiful people. One love. Keep us together. Peace and love as usual. Bye, guys.